Presenting the newly launched Apple iPhone Air, Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. Measuring only 156.2 by 74.7 by 5.6 millimeters, it's slimmer than any iPhone before. Built with grade 5 titanium frame, and a durable ceramic shield back. It weighs just 165 grams, making it light and easy to carry. Built to IP68 standards, it keeps out dust and endures water immersion at 6 meters for 30 minutes. The iPhone Air is protected by Ceramic Shield 2 glass on the front, delivering enhanced resistance to drops and scratches. Powered by iOS 26. It delivers faster performance with smarter features. The A19 Pro chip ensures flagship-level power, smooth multitasking, and next-gen graphics. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and offers storage options from 256 GB up to 1 TB, giving you ample space for everything. The iPhone Air comes with a 48 megapixels fusion rear camera and an 18 megapixels front camera for sharp photos and selfies. It features a 6.5-inch Super Retina OLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The 2736x1260 resolution ensures sharp visuals, while the always-on display keeps important details effortlessly in view. With a 3149 mAh battery, it balances slim design with lasting power. Up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes, with an impressive 27 hours of video playback. So, if you're after something ultra-thin, stylish, and packed with pro-level performance, the iPhone Air is the one to watch.